welcome to today's success story session. At SkillFindMe, we always believe that the best way to showcase the value of our program is through the success of our learners. Today, we are very excited to host Cynthia, who has done truly something very inspiring, moving from a CTC of 13 LPA to 24 LPA. This is just not a number, it's a proof of how the right skills, consistency, and guidance can transform your career. We'll dive into her journey, what challenges she faced, what motivated her, and how we helped her land this opportunity. Yeah, can you please help us with a little bit information about your professional background, your current domain, and total number of years of experience that you have?
8 years experience in the IT industry, like it's with DevOps and cloud technology. My current role is with a senior DevOps engineer, and I've been working in all the DevOps and cloud platform.
Okay. So what was the turning point when you decided that you want to upskill yourself in this particular domain?
Yeah, so I was in ML actually, maternity leave for about a year. Those were gaps to upskill myself. So once I was out of my maternity and my parenting style was maybe a little stable, so that time I chose to look for courses actually. And then I came across with SkillFindMe.
Got understood. So what was the reason? Because there are n number of online services or online platforms which provide courses in DevOps or cloud. So what was the reason that you opted for specifically for SkillFindMe?
Yeah, I was looking for many courses which was online at that time. So when I was inquiring about SkillFindMe and the brochure which was sent me, it was to the perfect, like what the course is going to be covered and what's the topic, what's the project we're going to get covered. So everything was like in point mentioned, and also we had this EMI option to pay back. So all these were looked good for me when compared to the others, and it was affordable also to opt the course. Like for the DevOps, it is more much affordable in SkillFindMe. So that's why I picked up SkillFindMe.
Okay. So can you please walk us through the hiring process for this SRE role? Like how many rounds of interviews were there? What skill set there were questions related to?
Yeah, so it was 3 rounds actually. First was with the virtual. So it was just the questions on basic resume which we have. So the works which I've done, everything was asked in the virtual. So there were 2 panelists asking the questions. Then I got shortlisted for the in-person interview. So I had to go to the office to attend the interview. Like it was 2 rounds. First was with the technical again with the 2 panelists. So it was a mixed with of SRE role as well as the roles which I was working, the senior DevOps engineer, because they were looking for SRE as well as a kind of DevOps role which could a person who can help the dev team also and also the op team. So it was a mixed type of questions, more on AWS and Jenkins. So yeah, troubleshooting, those were the parts which was asked for. And then the manager role was with the manager of the team where I'm going to get placed right in the company. So that team manager was there taking the interviews just to understand how was my work style and will I be able to adapt to the changes, to the product-based company, because I was in a service-based company. Now it's shift to the product-based company. So it was just an understanding he wants. And then that time itself, like just in a 5 minutes, they informed that I got shortlisted. Then it was an HR round. Like we had this pay salary negotiation.
How do you feel about the jump from your original 36 13 LPA to 24 LPA? What is this feeling that you're having?
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy and glad because I was feeling I was just constrained to a minimum pay which is not much to my experience, right? I have 8 years experience. It is a great jump actually. Actually see my current CTC. It was their band, the pay scale which they gave me. So since they didn't check on my current CTC also, like many companies check on that, right? So it was a good approach from their side actually. And 24 LPA is like just the double the salary now. I'm very much happy.
Okay. So lastly, I would like to know what advice would you give to learners or viewers who are watching this video, who are planning to upskill and joining specifically SkillFindMe? What will be your advice to them?
Yeah, so I would advise to skill up yearly. Like we have to skill up for this outgoing market which is like very much in speed, it's growing, right? So I would recommend to learn more on AI. We could get a SkillFindMe AI also. I've seen that the course. Maybe I'm also like have a plan to opt that in the future maybe. Yeah, so I would recommend that.
All right. Thank you so much for doing it.